Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss fill in the blanks and true and false of chapter first. We have already discussed multiple choice questions. Now look at part B, fill in the blanks. Dash are mainly starch or sugars which are main energy sources for our body. So what are main energy sources for our body? So they are carbohydrate. Carbohydrate gives energy. Second, plastic is a synthetic material made from a wide range of dash. Plastic is a synthetic material. Synthetic means man-made material and it is made from wide range of polymers. So polymers are complex organic compounds made from mostly carbon and hydrogen. Third is plaster of Paris is manufactured by heating calcium sulfate dihydrate CaSO4.2H2O to dash. Plaster of Paris, which is POP, it is used in plastering and making statues, and it is made by heating calcium sulfate dihydrate, which is gypsum, to 120 degrees Celsius. Fourth is dash are substances made up with the combination of silicon and other chemicals. The silicons are substances made up with the combination of silicon and other chemicals. Fifth is dash is one of the best known antibiotics invented by Alexander Fleming used to treat bacterial infections. Alexander Fleming invented penicillin. Sixth, dash coined the term radioactivity. Marie Curie coined the term radioactivity. Marie Curie was the first scientist to receive Nobel Prizes twice. He worked in the field of radioactivity. Seventh, dash is manufactured from ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. So pteryline is manufactured from ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. Eighth, alizarin red is a dash. It is a chemical dye. Dyes are those substances which are used for coloring. Ninth, oil soluble paints are mixed with dash while applying. They are mixed with turpentine. 10. Glass is made up of dash. Glass is made up of silicate. Silicate is a chemical compound of silicon and oxygen, SiO2. 11th, tincture of iodine is an dash. Tincture of iodine is an antiseptic. Antiseptic are those substances used to cure wounds and sores. 12th, malathion and copper sulfate are some commonly used as. Malathion and copper sulfates are, these are the pesticides. Pesticides are used for killing the pest. Now see true and false. Prafull Chandra Rai was the founder of India's first pharmaceutical company. True. He was the founder of India's first pharmaceutical company. The name of company was Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals. What is pharmaceutical? Pharmaceutical means those in which medicines are made. 2. Minerals are complex organic substance. It is false. Minerals are simple elements and compounds. 3. Chemical dyes are alizarin green and indigo blue. False. Chemical dyes are alizarin red, not green. 4th, plaster of Paris is formed by heating gypsum. True. 5th, antacids are used to neutralize the excess acid produced in the stomach. True. 6th, Dmitri Mendeleev came up with the first periodic table of elements. True. 7th, alchemists discovered hydrogen and oxygen elements. It is false. Hydrogen and oxygen were not discovered by alchemists. 8th, foaming cosmetics such as shower gel and shampoo have sodium lauryl sulfate. Foaming cosmetic means those cosmetics which have foams in them, like shower gel and shampoo, and they have the compound known as sodium lauryl sulfate. It is true. 9th, vinegar is used for preservation of pickles and sauces. True. It is used for food preservation. And last is fertilizers make the soil fertile by adding essential elements to soil. It is also true. Now part D, give two examples. We have to tell the two examples of each. Analgesic. What are analgesic? Analgesic are those substances which help to reduce pain. Pain को कम करने के काम आता है. The two examples are aspirin and paracetamol. Second is fertilizers. So fertilizers used to add essential elements to the soil and help in increasing the crop production. Examples are urea and calcium nitrate. Third is glass. The example of glass is soda lime and potash glass. Fourth is antibiotics. Examples of antibiotics are penicillin and streptomycin. Fifth is chemical used as food preservatives. Two examples are sodium benzoate and benzoic acid. Sixth, thermosetting plastics. Thermosetting plastics are those plastics which became hard on heating. जो गर्म करने पे हार्ड हो जाते हैं, कठोर हो जाते हैं. तो they are mainly used in prevention or insulating the hot things like cooking utensils, handles of cooking utensils, iron, etc. Examples are bakelite and melamine. And last is thermoplastics. The examples of thermoplastic is PVC. The full form of PVC is polyvinyl chloride and polyethylene. So these